How to log in into your MetaTrader 5 account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your MetaTrader 5 account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to make sure that you have installed the app. This is the app right here. You can find it in your App Store or Google Play Store. After you've installed it, open it up and initially you will directly get into the login space. Now from here you can enter your password and your login and tap on sign in on the top right to sign in into your account. Now if you're not on this page and if you're initially on this page, what you need to do is you'll need to head over to the settings on the bottom right, and after you tap on it, you'll need to tap on new account on the top or directly on the MetaQuotes demo disconnected option. So let us tap on the new account. Now here what you'll need to do is you'll need to enter your broker's name. So type in the broker's name here. And after you type in the broker's name, you'll simply need to tap on the broker's name and add it. Or if you want to sign in into your demo account, tap on MetaQuotes. After you tap on it, you will see the MetaQuotes demo account. Now you can log in into your existing account by simply typing in your login details here, typing in your password, and then simply tap on sign in on the bottom after you do so, and you'll get logged into your account. It's that simple guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.